are a few easy steps to set up your desktop or laptop computer for your upcoming Cleveland Clinic MyChart video visit. Please allow up to 15 minutes for the pre-check-in process. For scheduled visits, please complete pre-check-in at least one day before your appointment. For same-day visits, 15 minutes before your appointment. Prior to your appointment, you will need to log into your MyChart account at mychart.clevelandclinic.org. From the Appointments menu, select Upcoming and Past Appointments. Select Pre-Check-In for your video visit appointment. Then verify your information and answer all required questions. Once pre-check-in is complete, if you don't already have Zoom installed on your computer, click on the link from your appointment to download the application. Once installation is finished, you may close Zoom and log out of MyChart. When you begin your video visit, Zoom will launch automatically. In your internet browser settings, make sure you have allowed pop-ups. Your MyChart account is now set up for video visits. You may connect up to 15 minutes prior to your appointment time. To begin, log in to your MyChart account at mychart.clevelandclinic.org. From the Appointments menu, select Upcoming and Past Appointments. Select your video visit appointment and click Begin Video Visit. The screen will display a wait screen until your provider connects and starts your appointment. You can test your computer audio from the Zoom wait screen. Your appointment will launch when your provider joins the visit. Select Join with Video and Audio. Click Test Speaker and Microphone to check your computer speaker and microphone. You will now see video of your provider and yourself, and you are ready to begin your MyChart video visit. To invite a guest to join you and your provider, please follow the step-by-step instructions at clevelandclinic.org/mychart-video-visits. Your guest must use a device that is connected to the internet, has a forward-facing camera, and has the Zoom app. If they do not have the Zoom app, they will be prompted to download it when they click the link. When your visit is complete, your provider will end the visit. Click OK when the Leave Meeting window displays. You may see an Update Available message from Zoom. Click the Update button to ensure that you have the most optimized and secure version of Zoom for future calls. Please note, you will not be able to connect to your appointment 20 minutes after your scheduled time. If this occurs, your visit will be canceled and you will need to contact your provider to reschedule your appointment. For assistance, please contact MyChart support at 866-915-3383.